The EasyClean 71B, formerly the QuickUp, is a bagless, corded handheld vacuum by Eureka. This machine's cleaning power was especially evident on stairs. By flipping the Riser Visor down, you can use the machine vertically on upholstery and stairs. The hose disconnects, allowing you to easily clean edges. The EasyClean did a great job cleaning fine and medium particles. It was versatile, easily switching between flooring types. It did struggle a bit with larger particles, but this was mostly because they had trouble fitting past the brush roll. We were disappointed with this machine's performance in cars. It did wonderful on flat surfaces, but wasn't able to handle the contours of our vehicle. The EasyClean excelled at cleaning upholstery and had no difficulty with pet hair. With the water lift of 70, this vacuum suction is incredibly strong for a handheld. It also received good marks for being fairly moderate in the noise category. To empty the dust cup, you simply detach it, remove the filter, and dump it into the garbage. Overall, this is a pretty messy ordeal, and the filter gets clogged easily, requiring frequent cleaning. The filtration on this machine is decent, but not impressive. Overall, we appreciated this machine for its strong suction, good performance on flooring, stairs, and upholstery.